Yo, what's up, guys? Look, we are celebrating our Memorial Day. We celebrating ours a little early. We know it's tomorrow, Monday, but we gonna celebrate today. That's what everybody else doing. Today's Sunday, so tomorrow, Monday. So, look, we still got fireworks, y'all, and we still got something upstairs. But I'm letting the kids just pop the little small stuff tomorrow. They go pop the little cherry bombs. We still got fireworks from last year, guys. Come on, Cameron. Come on. Little camera right there.
Now where we go?
Y'all lighting it right? What the kids at? They were there popping. Where Maddie at? She gonna pop us too? Camera, Maddie about to light her. Let me pick you up. Maddie lighting it.
Do it up, Bobby.
Do it in the air, Maddie. In the air. You better not drop it. In the air. Hold it. Shake it. Maddie, we over here, Maddie. Go over there. Go over there, Maddie. God dog.
Like this.
She gonna mess around and light everybody up. That girl so shaky. I thought you saw one of them before.
God, she shot a whole cherry bomb. She shaking.
Yeah, she acting scared now.
Get in my eye, girl. I ain't gonna lie.
Huh?
Get in my eye. Can't even see me.
Well, drop it down. Maddie's so shaky. Lord.
Y'all ready?
Maddie's shaky.
Y'all ready?
Hold on. Is the car coming?
No.
Light that way.
Yeah, it is.
Maddie, get out that pole, girl.
She's strong, man.
She wants something holding that. I'm about to get back though.
Dad, look. Dad.
Hold on, Steve. Let me turn the camera around. Hold on. I gotta turn the camera around. Hold on.
Dad,
Hold on. Y'all see Lil Steve got his little plaster in his head. Looking like little TJ. Like a lemon, like a melody. I gotta get back. Those some old fireworks right there. Shake it, boy. It barely coming out, Steve. Shake it. Shake it. They're just so old. It's been at it since last year.
Here we go.
Shake it, Steve. Shake it.
Yeah, I'm shaking it.
You gonna save it for Kevin, bud?
Kevin ain't want to do this. He want
You gonna save it for Kevin?
Them boy is doing
Look,
that.
Rusty already did too. So.
He did.
Do it. He on the VR.
He on the VR, man. Ask him if he want to pop some then.
Huh?
Ask him if he want to pop some. Come on then. Get down, girl, before you get hurt.
Look.
I ain't gonna save you. Get down.
Look.
I'm not saving you.
Dad, look. No hands.
Well, come on then. I'm not saving you.
Dad, look. I wanted to show you this.
What you gonna show me then?
Look, come here. You gotta go to the pole. Right here.
Girl, no. She got me doing all this crazy stuff. Don't go to the very top.
I am.
Don't note. I'm finna stop showing you then, cause I don't. Get down for the police come. If they come get you. Police coming, man. Come on, hurry up. Police coming. Ooh, that man in the basket finna call the police on you, girl.
The pole is.
Yeah, the po-po. The po-po finna get you. The po-po finna get you. I like him.
I can't put this shit on.
You said what?
I can put this shit on.
Well, you gotta open the scrap first. Open the scrap up.
This?
Yeah, open the scrap up on it. You see them bugs? That's the man. He in the garbage can. You hear me, Mason? That man in the garbage can. He throw some stuff in the garbage can. You see him? He going down the street. You see him? Come on, man. It's ants right there. You got to get up. Hurry up. Let me make sure no ants on the ground. Let me see. Turn around. Let me make sure no ants on the ground. Okay, no ants out there. Come on, stand right here. Do it. You know how to put it on?
It's a germ.
There ain't no bug on you.
It's a flower.
What?
Kevin said yeah.
Well, go get them and pop them then. You got it, Mace? I can't believe you put the shoes on right. Cameron don't got no shoes on. Cameron
Look.
don't got no shoes on.
It's hurt.
What hurts?
Look.
It must be something in that shoe then.
It's
Hey, why is it tight?
this
Open it up some more then. Open it up some more then, Mace. Come on now, little dude. Shake it, Steve. Man, this is the second time we did this. You go, oh, that's the. You can tell this fireworks old. It's shooting out the goddamn gun smoke.
Exactly. Why you think I was
Oh, they just shooting out the gun smoke. y'all see the gunpowder come out of there. Did I say gun smoke? That thing got a lot of gunpowder in there.
Kevin.
Is it really gunpowder? Or is this some type of, I don't know. I don't know what it is in there. What's this in this ground right here? So Kevin scared the bus hills, guys. He think it's gonna backfire on him. Go ahead and do it, Kevin.
It's old. Why would I?
Go ahead, BG code, man. Go ahead and shoot it out, man. Shoot your Roman cannon, man.
If it backfire,
I don't think you gotta do the second, Kevin. It ain't gonna backfire on you, man. It's gotta go. It's gotta release out, man.
What do you think?
What you mean? What I think? What? Ain't nothing but a. Mom made a garden.
Good one.
You like some of the plants down too, though.
We got these right.
We gotta water it too.
And this, and this, and
We gotta water it. Kevin, you about to light it, Kevin? What you getting scared for, Steve? What's burning you? What's burning you? Get back, Mason. That just shoot, man, that just shooting out paper, gunpowder, all type of stuff. Do it the way go the opposite way where the wind blowing. Cause the wind blowing that way. The wind blowing though.
You better stop. Nigga, I can't see.
Now he can't see. Woo, they jump horizontal over.
Hey, man. Get it.
What matter? Shake it, man.
Huh?
Don't shake it with a car head. Shake it in the air. Shake it in the air. In the air, Maddie. In the air. There you go, Maddie. There you go, little shortstop from Tokyo. There you go, man. Do that thing, man.
Move, I'm gonna point it at you,
You
Dad.
better not. You better not. You gonna try to put my eye out. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Maddie, come here, Maddie. See y'all. Maddie telling my shoes gonna put that eye out. See that? See that? That ain't right. You gonna put my eye out for real? Really?
No.
Let's slow
Kevin, you
down.
better.
See, you put my eye out, when know what's gonna happen?
What?
This ain't the one that's.
I ain't gonna be able to buy you stuff no more. I ain't gonna be able to go to work. I'm gonna be on disability. I can't see. I can't play with you no more. Can't go outside. Can't go no games or cheerleader practice. I can't go see you do major ads. I can't see you.
Major
I ain't gonna be to see you do gymnastics.
I am.
But I wanna go cause she my daughter. I wanna go. Mason. Where Mason went to? Mason, come here. Come here. Mason being sneaky, y'all. He being quiet. What you got? You being sneaky? What you got? Come on. Being sneaky. Running off and we couldn't hear you. What you being sneaky for?
Come on, pop some fire.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, you need light.
It's the
Oh.
Put
Come
your
on,
hand
y'all
around.
trying to light it together?
Put your hand around.
Come on, come on, light it.
Come on.
Nigga, light it. Man, what you jumping for?
Caber! Nigga, give it to me.
Give it to me.
I got it.
I got it. Give it to me.
You holding the
Dude,
camera.
I got it. Y'all,
You gonna
y'all-
see what
Put
be
it together.
going
Put it together. Y'all being shaky, man.
Dude, we is not being
Stop,
shaky.
stop saying all that crazy stuff. I don't get down like that.
You did.
I let both of them at the same time. Look how shaky they is. Shake it, man. Shake it.
Shake it, Kevin.
Look at Kevin. Kevin, why you gotta be so shaky for, man?
That just lit right there.
You got your eye, Steve? That's your, and it's on your shirt, too. You almost threw, Kevin. Hey, I wonder if we like the old cherry bombs, it just go bust when we go in the air.
Hold on, bro. Don't be trying to do that. Don't be
Huh?
trying to
I ain't liking the cherry bomb. It's old. That cherry bomb from last year, that junk go bust everywhere. Y'all know about them cherry bombs. I like y'all know. What ants that? There's some ants over there? Huh? There's some ants over there?
No, messing up.
Come on, Mace. Ants over there. I'm about to put you in the tub.
Yeah, he got a lot of ants on him.
No, he don't. Come here. You got some ants on you?
No.
Turn around, let me see.
Give me the leader.
You ain't got no ants on you, boy. You need another light. Huh? You want another one? You sure you ain't scared, man? You got it this time, man. You got it, you sure?
Cause last time I ain't shake it, they was. And they
Right
popped
here.
right on me.
Alright.
Nobody scared. What you did pop? You didn't pop.
Come on down, here. You want a light or what? Let's see.
Bro, light the thing.
Come on, man.
God.
God. This wind blowing pretty hard today. Shake it, man.
I'm telling you, I'm holding like this in case it backfire.
Oh my god.
I'm putting it like
What you being scared for? What you being scared for? What you screaming for? It ain't pop nowhere near you. Well, come on, let's go in the house. Come on, man.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let him go, man. Let him go, man. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.